Guys, welcome to this another video. So here we will be discussing about dynamic programming. Last time we solved longest common subsequence, right? So we took an example of toString and we tried to find what can be the largest common subsequence in those two substrings. So last time we did it recursive way. This time we will try to do in DP ways, right? So let's start right away. So DP. And if you haven't already watched my knapsack video, I recommend you to watch that first so that it will be easier for you to understand what approach we are taking in order to arrive at a DP solution. So subsequence. Alright, so first thing always you have to create a cache or a matrix or a DP in order to store our result of our subproblems. So in this case, I'll create a cache. So this will be also pass the strings. Yeah, I guess that's it. So it will be len of a. Range of matrix, and yeah, this is the way we create matrix in Golang. So that's all right. Matrix of I will be equals to again a make, it will be int and len of p, right? Same thing as common to our knapsack problem or even subsystem problem. We did the same thing. Now it's all about reducing this, reducing these memoized code along with these function call to a matrix call. So first thing is same thing. If matrix of first thing is solve the base case. So base case is for the len 0. So for my matrix for j range over the cell. So if anytime I equals to 0 or j equals to 0, that means that I have a, so remember that here the 0 is len of string. So anytime my length of the string is 0 or 0, my common subsequence will be 0, right? So I just go to matrix of, I'll remove this, I j will be 0, and I'll just continue. Else if matrix, else if a of I equals to b of j, yeah. So if I equals to z, j equals to 0, so I'll just do I minus 1, j minus 1. Why this unresolved reference? I have a j here. Oh, it closed here. All right. So anytime two character match, we just save that equals to 1 plus whatever we solve the subproblems, j minus 1. Similar to the call here. So whenever we are the characters in the two string match, we just solve it for I minus 1 and j minus 1. Yeah. else what do? You do matrix, again do a max, matrix of I, comma j, max of matrix of I minus 1, j, comma matrix of I, j minus 1. What is it? I minus, sorry, I and j minus 1. Let's like this, okay. Now fine. And our solution will be again, or the result will be calculated in the last cell. That will be I, comma j. Oh, that will be len a len of b. Right. So this matrix will be 0 to len a, so it will be minus 1. So minus 1. So I guess it will be len plus 1. And yeah, let's run this now. So I will just copy this, comment this out, dp subsequence, and do not require the length. Yeah, let's check that and execute this. It shows the size as 1, but we are expecting 3. Let's see and debug. So we are solving it for a max of I j minus 1 and I j minus 1, so that is all right. Here if A I minus 1, B j minus 1, then this should be okay. I'm a bit not sure whether this, so my matrix has an additional length, so matrix will be length plus 1, so this is all right, this looks fine. Matrix len of b, so that's all right, and this will extend from 1. No, this should be okay. J, bring it over cell. If we do not have the size, then I, common, the max length can be 0 here, so we continue similar to this one, and then we solve it for minus 1 goes to equals to bj minus 1. Then it means that matrix of I comma j equals to 1 plus, we move it here, else they are not equal, so we will find out max of matrix I comma j minus 1. Oh, I minus 1 comma j. All right, so now I guess this should be working fine. Yeah, so this is all right. Okay guys, I hope you are now beginning to have some intuitions surrounding this, that first thing is to have a recursive solution. Once you have that recursive solution with you, then it will be easier to code this DP. Right, it's all about replacing these calls instead of these calls you make uh, you get the solution or the whatever value we have got for the smaller sub problems, and those values are available in the subcells. All right, so if you have any problems or any question, please leave your comment. I will be happy to answer. Thank you. Bye.